So you have to determine the landfill area required for the municipal solid waste management system with a population of 50,000. So in this, the solid waste generation, in this the solid waste generation, whatever the see here, the solid waste generation of 350 grams per person per day. So a person is generated 350 grams of the solid waste in a day. So the compacted density of the landfill, it is 504 kg per meter cube, and average depth of the compacted solid waste, it is given as 3 meter. So what you have to do is you have to find out the area of the landfill. You have to do it. Okay, you have to find it. So that's what the your final objective. Okay, see here, the whatever the steps it is being given, I will explain one by one. Okay, so in this the population, it is said as 50,000. Okay, the solid waste generated for the per person per day, it is been said as 350 grams. The total amount of the solid waste which is been generated for 50,000 people for one day, one person, it is 350 grams. But what about 50,000? So we need to calculate about 50,000. Sorry, it is actually, it is not a 50,000, it is a 5,000 population. Okay, sorry, it's a printing mistake, it is a 5,000. So for the about 5,000, what is the total amount of the solid which is generated per day? So take it is for one person, so 350 into 5,000 here, the 350 into 5,000. So it will, you will get it around 1,175 into 10 to power of 5 grams per day. So if you convert that into kg, so you will get it 17,500 kg per day, that is 17.5 ton per day, which is being generated by 5,000 people. So the next is the compacted density of the landfill. So compacted density of the landfill, it is been given, that is 504 kg per meter cube. So that's, it has been taken. So volume is equal to the total amount of the solid waste divided by compacted density. So this is the formula. Actually the what is the formula is, the density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, so just interchange each other. Okay, just interchange. So volume will become mass by density. Okay, so this is what formula, volume is equal to mass by density. So here the mass, it is being set it as the total amount of the solid waste, and this is nothing but mass, so that divided by density. So volume is equal to mass by density, it is actually, but it has been said as volume of the solid waste is equal to V, the total amount of the solid waste divided by compacted density, the total amount of the solid waste which we have calculated here. Okay, so just you put it here in the numerator, that's all. Okay, so numerator you just put it, so that is 17,500. So next compacted density, it is given in the question. Okay, so just introduced, you bring it in the density. Okay, so finally the volume, you will get it around 34.72 meter cube. So volume will get it, but you need to find out the area. So how to find out the area? We know that volume is equal to area into height. Okay, height or depth, whatever you take it. Okay, so we need area. So area is equal to volume by depth or height. But here we the height which is been given, this is what the formula, area is equal to volume by height. Okay, so don't forget area is equal to volume divided by height. So height, it is given in the question, the depth of the compacted solid waste, it is 3 meter, it is given. So just volume, you insert 35 point whatever it is there, you substitute the value. Okay, substitute the value, and the for the depth, you substitute height, you substitute as 3. That's all. 3 you substituted because it is given in the question only, so that's why substitute it. See here, the depth of the compacted soil, it has been given as 3 meter, you just substitute here. That's all. Okay, the volume is equal, area is equal to volume by height. Volume, it is this one. Okay, and height is this one. You bring it, that's all. Okay, so you will get the area of the landfill which has been required. So area of the landfill which is been required is 11.57 meter square. So if they ask area, you do like this. If they ask volume, you stop it, you stop it here only, that is sufficient. If they ask volume, you stop here. If they don't ask volume, if they ask area, till here you have to do it. Okay, you have to do it here and you have to stop it. So this carries 10 marks. It is a very important question. Please work out 1 or 2 times.